The Samsung Galaxy A56 5G has arrived, and it's packing some serious upgrades. But is it worth your money? Let's break it down with 4 reasons to buy and 2 reasons to skip the latest A-series mid-ranger. Reasons to buy. Durable design. The Galaxy A56 brings a sleek yet durable build with a sturdy metal frame and Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on both sides. With an IP67 rating, it's resistant to dust, sand, and even a 1-meter dip in fresh water for up to 30 minutes. Capable camera setup. Packing a 50MP primary sensor with OIS, a 12MP ultrawide, and a 5MP macro, the A56 delivers sharp, detailed images. The front-facing 12MP selfie camera also supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second. Samsung's AI enhancements improve stabilization, autofocus, and color accuracy. AI-powered features. Samsung's awesome intelligence brings flagship-grade AI tools like Circle to Search, now with Music Search. Best Face, fix expressions and open-close eyes in photos. Object Eraser, remove unwanted elements from pictures. Instant slow-mo and auto-trim for easy editing. Long-term software support. Samsung leads the industry in software support, and the A56 continues that tradition with 6 years of OS updates and security patches, meaning you'll be running the latest Android version until 2031. Reasons to skip. Thermal issues under load. During our tests, the A56 heated up by 11 degrees Celsius while running high-performance games like BGMI and Call of Duty Mobile. This means it's not the best pick for serious mobile gamers. Not ideal for power users. Powered by the Exynos 1580 chipset, the A56 scores 919,985 on Antutu. While decent for daily use, it lags behind some competitors in heavy multitasking and gaming performance. Conclusion. The Galaxy A56 5G is a solid mid-range option with a premium design, excellent cameras, AI-driven features, and long software support. However, if you're a hardcore gamer or power user, you might want to look elsewhere. Would you buy the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.